What's up everyone, Clark Glassford, founder of My Practice Interview, where I help you land your dream job. And today I want to talk to you about the question that gets asked to me very often by people looking to make that next career move. Am I ready for promotion? It's not about working harder. It's not about doing longer hours. It's, are you actually ready to take that next step in your career? And I've got 5 key tips here today, a little bit of a checklist that will help let you know if you're actually ready for promotion. You need to be ticking off all 5 of these key tips, and stick around to the end where I have 2 key lessons here that if you're kind of ticking the box on those ones, maybe you're not ready for promotion, maybe you need to put in some more work on your own development. So let's get ready to go. Here is tip number 1. You actually problem solve without being told. Your manager doesn't need to come to you every single time you have a problem and you're going to them to try and get them to figure it out for you. You're able to problem solve on your own. You're bringing your manager solutions. If you're able to problem solve on your own and get the job done to that next level without your manager having to get involved, that's a good sign you're ready to take the next step. Tip number 2, your work actually has a real impact. You're not just doing things day to day, just trying to get the job done. Your work is having a greater impact beyond just you and beyond the function you were just hired for. It's having that impact across your department, perhaps multiple departments, or within the greater reach of your organization. If your role is now starting to have a greater impact and you're a part of that impact, then you're probably ready to take that next step. Tip number 3. People already treat you like a leader. All of a sudden you've gone from a doer to a leader. People are coming to you and saying, hey, can you do this task for me? Hey, I understand you did this bit of work. What do you think about me doing this? They're seeking advice from you. They're looking you to lead different projects, different initiatives, perhaps even be part of a key lead role on a team. If people are looking at you as a leader, yeah, you're probably ready to go for next step for that promotional opportunity within your career. Next, tip number 4. You actually think beyond your role. Your role isn't just about you. It's not just about the things you're doing. It's having a greater impact on the organization, and you're linking the work that you're doing to the strategic goals and the priorities of the organization. If you are finding yourself in that position where you're having a broader view, that more strategic for you, you're probably ready to start thinking about that next promotional step for you. And now, tip number 5. You can clearly explain your value. When you can meet with your boss or that hiring manager that's ready to look to promote you, you can explain the value you bring. You can articulate the accomplishments you've achieved. Not about working harder, not working those longer hours, but the impact your role is having on the organization and the greater good of the company. That is a clear sign that you're probably ready for promotion. Now, there are 2 clear steps here that, you know what, if you're thinking like this, you're probably not ready for promotion. Number 1, you're relying on your time in the job. You think just because you've been in the role a long time that you're kind of ready for promotion. That doesn't cut it. That is not what a manager or a hiring manager is going to want to see, that just because you've been in the job the longest, you're ready for that next step in promotion. If you are not adding value, you're probably not ready for that next step. And the next one here, number 2, that may say that you're not ready for promotion. You're not ready for promotion if you're strong individually, but not strong within a team. So you need to be thinking about what you're doing individually and how it has a broader impact on a team. You're actually thinking beyond yourself to the greater team, to the greater good of the organization. If you're just thinking you all the time and not having that more of that team influence, perhaps you're not ready for promotion. So those are my 5 key tips here. I've been through this many times in my career, working with people to get them promoted, to get them to the next level. And if they're not demonstrating those 5 things and they're kind of bringing those 2 parts where it's like, oh, that may be a little bit of a risk there to promote you, then you need to start thinking about, how do I develop my skill set within the role I am? How can I continue to demonstrate and show greater value and link that to the organizational goals? If you can start doing those things, you're going to be ready to take that next step before you know it. That's it for this week. Like I always say, it's not magic, it's commitment. The commitment you put into your career, the commitment you put into your job, and the way you develop yourself will get you to where you need to go. So if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Start putting the building blocks in place to plan to get to that next level of your career. I know you can get there. Keep on following me. Until next time, we'll see you then.